Hi, everyone. Welcome back to English Every Day. I'm Taylor, and I'm really happy you're here. Today's topic is something very important: confidence in speaking English.
Hi, Taylor. How are you today? Hi, everyone. I'm Jimmy. Confidence. Sometimes I feel okay, and sometimes I feel like I can't say a word.
That's completely normal, Jimmy. Confidence goes up and down for everyone. But the good news is you can train it like a muscle.
Train it? You mean I can practice being confident in English?
Exactly. Confidence is not magic, it's a skill. You can build it step by step.
Part 1. Start small.
The first step is simple. Believe in yourself, even a little. Start with small English goals, small wins.
Like what kind of small wins?
Say one English sentence to a colleague. Ask a question in English at a store. Or speak English for 1 minute in front of a mirror. Every small success tells your brain, I can do this.
So, little victories make big confidence?
Exactly. We call them English confidence muscles. Every time you try, they get stronger.
Part 2. Speak and practice.
I get nervous speaking English to people. Small groups make me anxious.
That's a common fear. The best way to beat it is practice, even when you're alone. Look in the mirror and speak English for 1 minute. Say anything. What you did today, how you feel, or your plans.
I tried that once, but my cat was watching me. I felt judged.
Cats are the most honest audience. But even if it feels strange, mirror practice really helps. It builds comfort with your own English voice.
Now, part 3. Let's talk about your thoughts. Positive thinking.
Positive thinking can change your English confidence. Instead of saying, I can't speak English, say, I will try, or I can improve my English. Those words give your brain energy.
Yeah, I can improve my English sounds realistic and friendly.
Exactly. Confidence doesn't mean being perfect. It means believing you can get better.
Part 4. Body language.
Stand tall, shoulders back, look straight ahead. Even if you feel nervous, your body tells your brain, I'm confident in English. Smile too. It changes how people see you and yourself.
Part 5. Preparation and mistakes.
Preparing sentences makes me feel better.
Perfect. Preparation builds confidence. Practice what you want to say before a conversation or presentation. And remember, mistakes are not enemies. They are teachers.
So mistakes are my friends?
Yes, friendly mistakes help you improve.
Part 6. Support and self-care. Confidence also depends on your environment. Surround yourself with positive, supportive people. Avoid those who always criticize your English.
Yeah, I feel shy around people who judge a lot.
That's natural. Also, take care of yourself. Eat healthy, sleep well, and exercise. Your body and mind work together.
When I exercise, I feel strong and full of energy. Even speaking English becomes easier.
Exactly. Physical activity builds confidence too.
Part 7. Learn and grow.
Learning new things also helps. Read English books, listen to podcasts, or learn new words. You feel more capable. Knowledge is power for your English.
I never thought about it that way. Learning really does make me feel stronger.
And talking to people helps even more. Join English clubs, small groups, or simple meetups. Each conversation grows your confidence.
Part 8. Humor and Visualization. You know what helps me too? Laughing at myself. When I make an English mistake, I just smile.
That's a great habit. Humor reduces stress and fear of judgment. And another strong tool, visualization. Imagine yourself speaking English clearly, giving a good speech, feeling calm and confident. Your brain starts to believe it.
Like mental training. That's interesting.
Part 9. Daily practice and patience. English confidence grows slowly. It's not overnight. Try one small English challenge every day, something that pushes you a little.
Small daily challenges. I can do that. But patience is hard for me.
Be patient, Jimmy. Every small step counts. Even 1% better each day becomes big progress in time.
Part 10. Focus on your strengths and avoid comparison.
Finally, focus on what you're good at. Everyone has strengths in English.
I'm good at telling funny stories in English.
Perfect. Use your humor to connect with people. When you use your strengths, your English confidence grows naturally.
But sometimes I compare myself to fluent speakers.
That's a big mistake many people make. Never compare your beginning to someone else's middle. Your English journey is unique.
Okay, let me summarize what we learned today. Believe in yourself, start small, think positive, stand tall and smile, prepare and accept mistakes, stay around supportive people, take care of your body, learn new things, be social, use humor, visualize success, challenge yourself every day, focus on your strengths, and no comparison.
Perfect summary, Jimmy. Remember, confidence in English is a skill. You can train it, practice it, and grow it.
Thanks, Taylor. I already feel more confident just talking about English confidence.
That's the spirit. And to everyone listening, keep smiling, keep learning, and take one small English step every day. Your confidence will grow stronger and stronger.
Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe and share this episode with your friends.
See you next time on English Every Day. Bye, everyone.